Welcome to DoraysLIS, your all-in-one laboratory management solution, designed to simplify and streamline diagnostics. Our cutting-edge, cloud-based software empowers labs to manage patients, billing, reports, and operations efficiently. What sets DoraysLIS apart? Accessibility from anywhere at any time. With just an internet connection, you can manage your lab without installing software or investing in expensive hardware. We offer seamless access on any device, ensuring you stay in control wherever you are. Integrates with medical instruments for automated workflows, error-free reporting, and faster turnaround times. With customizable report templates and validation tools, keep your referrals, organizations, patients, and doctors updated in real time. Streamline communication and ensure all records and updates are accurate and accessible. Deliver real-time reports to consulting doctors, patients, referrals, and hospitals. Expanding your lab is simple with tools to measure performance, optimize resources, and scale operations effortlessly. Enhance patient satisfaction with real-time updates on test results, seamless communication, and secure online payments. With our integrated payment gateway, collecting pending dues from multiple banks, cards, and wallets is quick and hassle-free. DoraysLIS helps you grow your business, launch targeted campaigns, or offer exclusive packages to selected patients, all from the same platform. Stay updated with key business data directly on your mobile. Our expert support team is here to ensure your experience is seamless. From setting up your account to answering queries in minutes, we provide round-the-clock assistance, giving you peace of mind to focus on what matters most: your patients. DoraysLIS is transforming lab management with an assured, accurate, and advanced approach. Join us in revolutionizing healthcare and delivering better outcomes for everyone. Book a demo today and see how DoraysLIS can elevate your lab's operations.